We've got a 1993 Porsche 911 964 Carrera 4 in Grand Prix white, if you want to get funky about the colours. The condition when I bought it, pretty sensible to be fair. The bodywork wasn't bad. It wasn't mine and your standard of OCD, shall we say. The bodywork wasn't too bad. Interior was predominantly already done. Wheels were on it and suspension were already on there. So I've gone round and just freshened things up a little bit. A really nice blue Pasha.
And then the wheels were already on it?
Wheels were on it, yeah. They're from a company in the States, Augment they're called. So they make a bespoke 3-piece split rim. I've just had a full bare metal repaint done by VJB Classics. They have, stripped the whole car, full exterior bare metal. Gone around it, the guys have made a really, really nice job of the car. New glass, or front and rear screen should I say. Just had the front end bit of PPF on the front end by the guys over at Coverguard, and now you guys are going to stick some ceramic coating on it for us just to protect the rest of the vehicle. You did it out of my Mark 1 Golf a couple of years back, gloss black Mark 1 Golf if you remember.
I remember.
Yeah, that ceramic on that was pucker. It was really, really good. So basically the same treatment on this vehicle.
This ceramic should actually be better.
A bit better,
they've changed the formula.
Oh, awesome.
And obviously I done your Golf in an uncontrolled environment because it was in your workshop. That was still undercover, but the studios are obviously built specifically with ceramic coatings in mind, so it should take better. It should.
Yeah, and obviously this is completely fresh paint, whereas that was not so fresh. It wasn't bad paint, but you did a full correction on that as well.
What shows you got coming up?
Box and Gas. Me and my pal are going to go to Le Mans Classic, so there's a chance we'll take it over there for that.
Are you going to drive it to them shows, or are you going to trade it? You're going to drive it up there,
it's a driver's car. Yeah, that's the reason.
Didn't you do a long trip in this just before you had it painted?
We did Europe last year. Me and the wife drove down to France, Switzerland, down to the south coast of France, and then along the coast, and then back up. So we did about, I can't remember, about 3,000 or 4,000 miles if I remember rightly.
Was that just you and your missus?
Just me and the wife, yeah.
I bet that was a beautiful,
so that was
beautiful trip.
Something I'd always wanted to do.
Yeah.
And we're going to go out to Bruges, hopefully, for the Christmas markets in the winter.
Yeah. And
take this car again. So, yeah, just built a car to use. It's not a trailer queen, although it came here in a trailer this morning, just to try and keep it clean for you guys. But once your ceramic's on there, we're gonna get out and use the thing.
Really happy for you, mate. Really happy for you. It's an absolutely beautiful car, and we've been really looking forward to this. I sent photos of it to Andre, my business partner here at Custom Detailing, and we've been really looking forward to having it in, mate.
Yeah.
And looking forward to seeing your reaction, because even though like it's mint, it's already mint, but you'd be surprised.
I'm intrigued to see how much shinier you can get it.
It will actually be like, I still surprise myself sometimes, like with white and silver. I look at them and think, is it really actually going to look any different? But once we've actually finished and we've put like that last layer of ceramic on, and after all of the process from start to finish, when you walk in the door you go, wow, that is a massive difference still. So it will be worth it, mate.
The guys at VJB have done I didn't realise how flat the paint was before, and how many like microscopic imperfections there were on it before. But Reece and Freddie and the guys over there have done a really good job of putting the paint on it. Me and you can normally find fault in most things, and I think we've definitely struggled. So
Parker, we're going to crack on with it, Ant.
Yeah, nice one.
Thank you, mate. You have a lovely day. I'll give you a shout when it's done.
Cheers, Pat. Take it easy.
Oh wow. That's what I thought. That's unreal. Thank you.
What was you doing before custom detailing?
A lot of experience in the car washing, man. A lot of experience in the car wash.
And then what?
And then I decided that I'm not happy there, not happy with the finish, not happy with, it wasn't enough, let's call it that way. And then I jump onto this and slowly, car by car, valet by valet. And then we jump onto jobs like that.
And today,
yeah.
you had something delivered to us, a big...
Oh yeah, yeah. I've done many cars on here. Honestly, many cars I've done on here. We've done it together, and myself. But this car is special. The paintwork is unreal. I even haven't seen many brand new cars with a finish like that. No kidding. No kidding now. No. I tried and I couldn't find a tiny spot. Nothing. I'm that impressed. Honestly, I'm that impressed with this car. Big time. Everything is like perfection. That's what we call perfection. A lot of cars are improvement, but this is perfection. We can call this is perfection. This is like unreal.
I've got a question.
Sure.
Now you've got the plotter.
Yeah.
What now?
Deeper and deeper in PPF. Mm-hmm. That's what we want to do, yeah.
I think that's the way the wind is blowing?
Exactly correct. That's the way everything goes. Car detailing, a better protection, a stronger protection, a longer lasting protection, and so on, yeah. So.
And then your top level, and I say your because I didn't want any part in the PPF.
Yeah.
Because I wanted to go and do my things and let you do that.
Okay.
The top level PPF that you do, yeah?
Yeah.
Is it self-healing?
Yes, it is. Yeah, self-healing. Yes.
How long is the warranty on the PPF?
That's 7 to 10 years, between 7 and 10 years. A PPF needs to be maintained correctly, looked after. It's not something like, it's very similar like a screen protector.
Yeah.
If you're gonna drop it, it's gonna break. So it's simple as that. Yeah, it still needs to be looked after every 2 years or 15,000 miles. Biodecontamination, top up and be held. Otherwise, nothing will last forever. Nothing will last forever. So
how long have you actually been here at Three Bays Farm, where the studios are? How long have you actually been here in Three Bays Farm?
8 years now.
8 years
Almost
now.
8 years, yes.
8 years, 4 bays.
Yeah, 4 bays.
2 detailing studios, 1 valeting bay, which a lot of people would class as a studio, but you don't.
Yes, that's it.
And a plotter bay and a geon shop. And a 22-foot shipping container of other chemicals and materials and the jacks and all of that, and the wash bay under the canopy with the drainage system and
and that's the result of not giving up and working hard and follow your dreams. Honestly, follow your dream and just carry on. That's
you
the way.
Managed to buy from your hard work as well your dream car, didn't you?
Yeah, a bit more than a couple of years ago. That's actually 4 years ago.
Really?
Yeah, 4 years ago, E63, yes.
Oh, remember it was parked in the car.
That is, 4 years ago, that's a lot of,
And that was the last of the V8 engine, wasn't it?
Correct, 2010, that's a special car.
We're probably going to post this on TikTok.
Okay.
So if you had like a closing statement for the people that are going to watch this video, probably mostly on TikTok, but it's probably going to go out on Facebook and everything as well. If you had a closing message for anyone watching this video, what would it be?
Man, follow your dream, work hard, don't look back on whatever others they're saying, because there are loads of haters, loads of, don't do that, no. Just follow your dream straight and you're gonna achieve something like that, for sure. Without even questioning, for sure can be achieved.